Go ahead.
I think the jury's going to find out about it because I think he's taking the stand. He's a politician.
Yeah, I was going to say.
He's the things that he has done. This interview he just did. He's that guy that is going to be more than willing to tell his tale. And as soon as he does, then he does have to spin that yarn about the DV call. And it, you know, maybe the jury's going to accept that. Let's say you're representing a guy like this who is itching to get up there and tell his story. How do you say, whoa, I don't think this is going to be a good idea, because it is up to him.
This is a case where I don't believe that this person should take the stand. There's been many cases where I believe that the defendant should take the stand. Anytime that there's a self-defense defendant, right, they have, in my opinion, they have to take the stand unless they have a checkered past, right? Look, Marcia Thompson, I believe, before that trial even started, she's going to take the stand. You know, Ashley Bedingfield, she's got to take the stand. People like that have to take the stand. This is the opposite. I don't believe he should take the stand. And I think this is one of the things about having an attorney of the stature that he has. The attorney can exert some control and tell him, you have to abide by my rules, and my rules are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No conspiracy hoax, no framing. You can't take the stand, because if you take the stand, it's fraught with peril. You do have a police run-in. You do have a checkered past. You cannot take the stand, and you're going to lie, and you're not going to come. I mean, I'm looking at this guy in this police interview. He doesn't look credible, to be quite frank with you, Ted. This is not a good witness, right? Marcia Thompson was a great witness. He's a terrible witness, right? In terms of the checkered past, I think the juries can look past it. Listen, I have a saying. I've seen people get convicted with less and acquitted with more, right? So we have to really see the evidence, because the hat being cut up and being found in his home, and the DNA evidence of him being on Gurman, that is damning evidence, right? We have to see cell phone evidence. I don't think he's dumb enough to have carried his cell phone when he went to do the stabbing, if he went to these great lengths to cover it up. But I don't know if he has an alibi. We have to really see the openings on both sides, and the openings will give us the themes of whether or not he has any shot at an acquittal here. So those are my thoughts. But yeah, I don't think this person should take the stand. To your point, Ted, he might force himself to take the stand at the last moment. I've been on the receiving end of this. When I was a public defender, I had no leverage with my clients. Somebody wanted to take the stand. I had no choice. They had to take the stand. But I don't think it's going to happen here.
It's going to be another good case to watch.
Starting next week, jury selection is set for Monday afternoon, so we'll be all over that.